Consistency. Consistency is the key para ma-achieve natin yung mga goals and mga dreams, mga desires natin. Now, this is the 15th day of our 30-day challenge at saka natigil ako ng ilang araw. And I know I just talked about consistency. Now, consistency versus relaxing or pahinga doesn't have to clash with one another. Kailangan silang to go alongside with each other kasi hindi naman maganda na consistent ka, however, exhausted ka na. There wouldn't be any good things that comes out from being exhausted. Siguro parang nagsa-sour graping ka na lang sa mga ginagawa mo. Sour graping, parang pinipilit mo na lang lahat. At saka hindi na maganda yung kinakalabasan. So, consistency, especially sa content creation, sa mga content creators dyan, yan din yung gusto ng Meta, yan din yung gusto ng YouTube, ng TikTok, ng Instagram and all other social media platforms kasi gusto nila makita yung continuous na pag-post mo, paggawa ng video. However, you really have to define the time kung kailan ka dapat magpahinga din. Kasi para mas may mga ideas ka pang pumapasok sa isipan mo. So, consistency may be the key, but taking a rest or taking your own pace is the keyest. No, I'm joking. Yun yung importante din. So, blend the two together, pero wag naman yung lamang yung pahinga kaysa consistency. Kasi yung consistency talaga will make you, if not a winner, but it will make you a good contender. There's no contest though, but it will make you a good participant in anywhere you are in. Yan. That's day 15. Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Amping mo.